Introduction. Historical agricultural innovations and modern farming. Historical innovations in agriculture have profoundly influenced modern farming practices. By examining past advancements, we can understand how they have shaped contemporary techniques, technologies, and agricultural productivity. The Neolithic Revolution. Foundations of agriculture. The Neolithic Revolution, which began around 10,000 BC, marked the transition from nomadic hunter-gatherer societies to settled agricultural communities. The domestication of plants and animals allowed for the development of farming, which led to permanent settlements and the rise of civilizations. This foundational shift established the basic principles of agriculture, such as crop cultivation and animal husbandry, that underpin modern farming. The Agricultural Revolution of the Middle Ages. Technological advancements. During the Middle Ages, several key innovations improved agricultural productivity. The introduction of the heavy plow, which was more effective in turning over dense soils, and the three-field system, which rotated crops to maintain soil fertility, significantly increased yields. These advancements laid the groundwork for more efficient farming practices and are reflected in modern techniques for soil management and crop rotation. The Agricultural Revolution of the 18th and 19th centuries. Scientific farming. The Agricultural Revolution of the 18th and 19th centuries brought significant scientific and technological advancements. Innovations such as the seed drill, invented by Jethro Tull, and selective breeding of livestock improved crop planting efficiency and animal productivity. The work of agricultural scientists like Robert Bakewell and Arthur Young contributed to the development of modern breeding techniques and the application of scientific principles to farming, which continue to influence contemporary agricultural practices. The Green Revolution. High-yield crops and modern techniques. The Green Revolution, which began in the 1940s and continued through the 1960s and 1970s, introduced high-yield crop varieties, synthetic fertilizers, and advanced irrigation techniques. Pioneers like Norman Borlaug developed disease-resistant wheat and maize varieties that significantly increased food production in developing countries. The Green Revolution's emphasis on technological innovation and improved crop varieties continues to shape modern farming practices, particularly in terms of productivity and food security. Mechanization. The transformation of farming practices. The mechanization of agriculture, including the invention of the tractor and combine harvester, revolutionized farming by increasing efficiency and reducing labor requirements. Early 20th century innovations in machinery transformed large-scale farming operations, allowing for the cultivation of vast areas with greater speed and precision. Modern farming continues to rely on advanced machinery, including GPS-guided equipment and automated systems, to enhance productivity and manage complex farming operations. Precision agriculture. Data-driven farming. Precision agriculture, which emerged in the late 20th and early 21st centuries, uses technology and data to optimize farming practices. Innovations such as GPS technology, remote sensing, and data analytics enable farmers to monitor crop health, manage resources more efficiently, and apply inputs with greater accuracy. This data-driven approach enhances yield, reduces waste, and supports sustainable farming practices by tailoring interventions to specific field conditions. Sustainable agriculture. Integrating historical and modern practices. Sustainable agriculture seeks to integrate historical farming practices with modern technologies to address environmental and resource challenges. Techniques such as organic farming, agroforestry, and conservation tillage combine traditional knowledge with contemporary innovations to promote soil health, biodiversity, and ecological balance. This approach reflects a growing awareness of the need to balance productivity with environmental stewardship. The role of biotechnology. Genetic engineering and modern crops. Biotechnology has introduced genetic engineering techniques that enhance crop traits, such as resistance to pests and environmental stresses. Innovations like genetically modified (GM) crops have the potential to increase yields and improve nutritional content. While controversial, biotechnology represents a significant evolution of agricultural practices, building on historical advancements to address modern challenges in food production and sustainability. Conclusion. The evolution of agricultural practices. Historical innovations in agriculture have profoundly shaped modern farming by establishing foundational techniques, introducing technological advancements, and addressing challenges in productivity and sustainability. From the Neolithic Revolution to the Green Revolution and beyond, each phase of agricultural innovation has contributed to the development of contemporary farming practices. Understanding this evolution highlights the continuity and progress in agriculture, reflecting the ongoing efforts to enhance food production and manage resources effectively.